Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another meal prep video. As always, I am going to start by showing you all the ingredients that I will be using. So I'm going to start by chopping my yellow and green bell peppers. Next, I'm going to peel my sweet potatoes and dice them. I am also going to cut some potato veggies. I will be seasoning everything with white pepper, parsley, paprika, and salt. Then I drizzle a little bit of oil over it. Next, I'm going to cut my salmon. I like to remove the skin. I season my salmon with everyday seasoning, parsley, paprika, salt, and white pepper. Next, I'm going to heat up some butter. Once this has melted, I like to add my honey and some lime juice. Now it's time to dice the broccoli, which I'm going to add to boiling water with a little bit of salt. Next, I'm going to bake my salmon in the oven just for about 10 minutes. And by this time, the potatoes and the veggies are already done. I'm going to start by chopping some cucumber for the next meal, which is going to be a salad. Next, I'm going to thinly dice some red onion. I like to add loads of sweet corn and cherry tomatoes as well. Next, I'm going to scoop out and dice some avocados. I like to season my salad with some salt, paprika, white pepper, and some lime juice. I am also going to add some parsley on top. Now that our salad is ready, I like to keep these in a jar. It saves space in the fridge and it's really easy to plate it. You just have to pour it out onto your plate or a bowl. So our last recipe is going to be a stir fry, and I'm going to start by dicing some carrots. red bell peppers. In the meantime, you can start cooking your rice. Next, I'm going to dice my chicken. Once the rice is done, you can set it aside. Now I'm going to dice my onions. I'm also going to thinly dice some garlic. And then it's time to season my chicken. I like to season it with chicken seasoning, a little bit of curry, salt, white pepper. I like to add corn flour to make it more crispy, and I also like to add some paprika. Next, I'm going to fry my onion and garlic, and in a separate pan you can fry your chicken. Then I add the rest of the vegetables. And I like to pour a little bit of soy sauce on top of the chicken. Once this is done, you can mix your chicken with the vegetables and add your sauce. I am using a black bean sauce. Then add a little bit of water and sesame seed. So this is the end of this meal prep video. I hope that you will try and enjoy these dishes. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon.